How to build an emergency fund, simple steps for financial security. Building an emergency fund is one of the smartest financial decisions you can make, and it's easier than you think. Whether you're saving for unexpected expenses, preparing for financial uncertainty, or simply looking to reduce stress about money, an emergency fund can be your safety net. At our channel MtecHD, we're here to guide you step by step to create a fund that fits your lifestyle and goals. So, here's a question for you. Have you started saving for an emergency fund yet? If so, what's your savings goal? Let us know in the comments below. First, let's define what an emergency fund is. It's a dedicated pool of money set aside for unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or sudden job loss. Ideally, your emergency fund should cover 6 months of essential expenses, including rent, groceries, utilities, and insurance. How much do you think you'd need to feel secure? Share your thoughts. Step 1 in building an emergency fund is setting a realistic savings goal. Start by calculating your monthly expenses, focusing on necessities. Multiply this by 3 to 6 months, depending on your comfort level. If that number feels overwhelming, don't worry. The key is to start small. Even saving $500 to $1,000 can provide a significant cushion for minor emergencies. What's your first milestone for your fund? Tell us in the comments. Step 2 is creating a budget. Review your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe it's skipping that daily coffee run, canceling unused subscriptions, or cooking at home more often. Redirect those savings into a separate account dedicated to your emergency fund. Do you have any budgeting hacks? Share them below. Step 3 is automating your savings. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck into your emergency fund or schedule recurring transfers from your checking to your savings account. This out-of-sight, out-of-mind approach makes saving effortless and consistent. Are you a fan of automation? Let us know how it works for you. Another strategy is to increase your income. Consider taking on a side hustle, freelancing, or selling unused items to boost your savings. Every extra dollar helps you reach your goal faster. Have you ever tried a side gig to save more money? We'd love to hear about it. Step 4 is choosing the right place to store your emergency fund. It should be easily accessible but separate from your daily spending account to avoid temptation. High-yield savings accounts, money market accounts, or even a separate traditional savings account are great options. Where do you prefer to save your emergency fund? Let us know in the comments. Once your fund is growing, resist the urge to dip into it for non-emergencies. Vacations, shopping sprees, or dining out are not emergencies. Save this money for true financial surprises. What's your best tip for staying disciplined with savings? Share it with the community. Remember to periodically review and adjust your fund. As your expenses or financial goals change, so should the size of your emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, so staying proactive is crucial. How often do you evaluate your savings? Let's discuss in the comments. Building an emergency fund isn't just about money, it's about peace of mind. When you have a safety net, you're better equipped to handle life's unexpected challenges with confidence and control. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. Have more questions about building an emergency fund? Drop them below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel MtecHD, and check out our channel for more practical financial tips. Let's secure your future together.